perfect beer garden weather at the moment, but as you probably know from watching these videos, we are all athletes at Airedale fencing, so we don't drink mucky beer.
Video, we're on a training course.
Good morning. It's going to be a lovely fine day at Airedale start week. It's what you want, isn't it? Not raining and windy. Just going to get them and then strap it up. Just getting Jenny and stuff on. Then we're going to load some of these on. Probably put a pack of posts on, and then we'll split a pack. Get 15, 20 for today. Put things on. We'll get them on that one. Carl is going to load them out. New job over at Fort Park Hotel. Just off the motorway. 2 metre high V-mesh.
Another glorious Monday. We're at a hotel and spa retreat in Leeds today. We're going to be running some 2 metre V-mesh all the way down here. Well, it's not too bad. A little bit of a tricky one just to get set up at first, but it should be alright. Fingers crossed dig's alright. But as you can see, there is an existing like chicken mesh fence there. But we're going to run a fence all the way down. Nice area actually. Should be quite a nice job as long as weather stays nice. But yeah, we're going to run it all the way down here, all the way along there, behind them 2 posts and a little bit further on. But yeah, should look well when it's done. I'll get a good few metre in and I'll give you an update video. Just a quick update from the hotel spa in Leeds. As you can see, we've had a pretty productive Monday. It's been a nice job so far, to be fair. Looks pretty well. I think we got 11 panels in, I think it was. Gardener's already been out, he's had a look at it, he's over at Milne with it. It's not been a bad dig, to be fair. Bit mulchy, couple of roots, but not too major. Not like we're going to cry over. But yeah, so basically all we did was strung a line from gate just in distance over there, just to here where you can see it King Crayley. Strung a line to there, so that looked well. Then strung a line just down to here, and as you can kind of see, it just starts curving round here. So tomorrow we'll probably eyeball them ones in just while it goes round the corner and then string a line on the other side. But I'm pretty chuffed with how today's gone. Been nice, good weather. Can't ask for more, can you?
So yeah, I'm just over at Birstall, come to see a job, and I bumped into an old pal. I seen his name with Ian Barker. I didn't realise it was the Ian Barker. He used to work with us, did Ian? Now he's one at Gaffers here. They've just bought. They've just bought this building, and basically, sort of all the way from round there, they're going to cut these bushes down. A bit of a slope here, like, which is a bit iffy, but we'll have some gates, a lot of make-up at rake. And this wall's going to have to be repaired, but we'll dig them on the inside there, and then it goes down there with some more gates and across there. Good to bump in. It's a small world, isn't it? I seen his name and I thought, that can't be same Ian, and it was. Hopefully we'll get this one. We might get some more content out of it. What you say?
Yeah. Once we get moving.
Yeah. So,
digging.
Well, we'll have to give him a good price, but we'll sort that out later. Good morning, Tuesday. Lads just leaving now. Going back to Fort Park Hotel. Bag is actually off. He's been in and he's actually poorly. He was in yesterday and he was sort of poorly. He's coming today and the lads have said get yourself off, we've got it covered, which is good. Kind of a good team. Hopefully he's alright for tomorrow. Because Carl ain't actually here tomorrow, he's doing his motorbiking. If not, I'll have to come out of retirement and get outside with him, but yeah. I'll make sure I don't book out in for tomorrow, just in case. It's a nice steady job at back of an hotel. This thing's loading it out, but it's steady away. So yeah, I'm just going back. I've actually been to see a job already this morning. Just wait on my clothes get lift. I've actually been to a local school round corner from me. I've been early doors before kids get there. I was there at 5 to 7 this morning, and basically it's a bit of a, shall we say, naughty kids school. I don't know what you call them these days, but they've basically smashed, not one of ours, one of their existing single gates. They've basically smashed out mesh off of it, so they want that repairing. So I'll probably, it's just got V-mesh on at the minute, which is strange because a lot of the rest of it is all 358 mesh, but I think what I'll do is I'll reclad it in, I might even do it in rebound, you know. fact I will. That's probably a good idea, yeah. I'll reclad it in rebound mesh. So I've actually got a panel of that somewhere. I've actually got one there. So obviously where they're kicking it, at the bottom bit there, be solid. And then he wants another gate just near it, a single gate, a new one. 358 and a little piece of fencing at the side of it. And he wants a mag lock on it, so I'll have to get Matthew to have a look at that with us, so yeah. And then I've got an appointment with the business manager at school in Bailed, and I quoted a few weeks ago. Basically they want us to go ahead with it now, but he's not sure if I can get it done in term time or not. He just wants to know what's involved and risk, obviously, for kids. But we're kind of out of way, so I think it should be okay. But they want a bit of a load of brambles and stuff to cut down, which we're hoping we can do with a flail mower on a van. He's actually given us a job. It's just a matter of when. It's either in term time before the summer holidays or in the summer holidays, but as you can imagine, it's getting booked up already. The summer holidays, we're already got 2 jobs in, I think, so fairly busy. In fact, we're booked up now till end of June more or less, so yeah, only a few slots left before the summer holidays. Anyway, I'll stop waffling, get on with my day, and I shall see you soon.
Day 2 at the Hotel Spa in Leeds. We've just got to this corner this morning. It does drop downhill a little bit, so that was last full panel of that run, and as you can see, we're just doing it in halves here. Just keeps the gap underneath a bit smaller, but to be fair, it's worked out pretty good. It does look well, so there'll be another couple half panels just around here. We've had Gasman out this morning because, as you can see, that is a marker for a main gas pipe, and nicely it came out and is marked exactly where it is. Now that we know where it is, we're going to straddle the panel over it, so we're not digging anywhere near that pipe. With us having the half cuts anyway, we'll probably get half cuts here, and then we'll just work it out so the full 3 metre panel straddles over it, and then we'll be nowhere near it. So hey, we're happy with that. We're happy that we're going to be safe.
We're at the end of day 2 now at Thorpe Arch Hotel. This is his commute. Well, there's panels and everything. It's been a right pig. It's like a woodland walkway. We had Northern Gas out. Mark, well, we've disrupted it now, but they painted here, so basically that had to straddle. That's the indicator for helicopter when it flies above. And we've come round here. We've had to fish behind these and had to do some cuts again, because these 3 giant pillars from an old sign that used to be at Seafront Motorway, so it's massive. And we're ready tomorrow. Probably just want to cut there just to leave us off that concrete, and then we're off down there into wilderness. Well, I say we, lads are. I've done my bit Monday, Tuesday, I'm off tomorrow, and me and Mark are on a course, definitely not drinking beers Thursday night. So yeah, sun's shining, we're just backing up.
But on YouTube, Wednesday already, midweek. Just seem to have a plethora of vans. I'm going to get this one out in a minute. Security being there, get it parked on the side there. Carl's off today, he's gone motorbiking. Baggy were off yesterday, went quite well, but hopefully he's alright today. Another few bits to do, admin. And then me and Carl are going to a show tomorrow down in Newark, so interesting. So yeah, I'll get opened up now, get vans warmed up, and get lads on the way, and then hopefully everything will be okay. I'll see you soon. Delivery's being done, that. Just inquiries keep coming. I'm just, not a bad thing, but wow, we're busy at the minute, us. Very busy. Don't know how everyone else is. I know a few people complaining they're slow here and there, but we're really busy. I think first 2 weeks at summer holidays have gone already with schools, and I know there's a load of automation, access control stuff coming up for Matt, so yeah, very busy, not complaining. A couple of jobs coming up, the machines are going to get utilised to the fullest. One, the not far from us in Baildon requires flail mower, so I'm going to buy a little one for digger, so I'm going to take them more, and then we're going to hire a bigger one for the Avant machine, so you know, get them two going, so a couple of days doing that. There's another area that lads can be fencing off while we're doing that, so yeah, should be good. I'm looking forward to that one. And then we've got the big job that came in at Pudsey. Well, I've been quoting that for a while, but it's finally come in now. They've got planning. I think that were 400 metres and a few gates, so yeah, we've got some meterage to bang out, so yeah, very busy.
As you can see, we've cracked on, so run goes all the way down here. We got into wooded bit today, which got a little bit narrow, a lot more trees, so it was a little bit of a tougher dig, because as you can imagine there were a lot of roots, but we shan't complain, it's sunny, so it wasn't too bad, to be fair. It runs all the way down, sticking to a nice height. They do drop ever so slightly because it is running downhill. It probably don't look like it on video, but it is running downhill. We're round corner, and Baggy and Jacob are just digging the next one, so I'll give you a quick update from that side. We're onto the easier side. As you can see, we ended up doing this in pretty much just over half panels, these bits here, just to follow up drop, that's all. But we're out at Woods. Baggy and Jacob fetching some more panels now, fresh out at Woods. I'll do a quick update video when we're done.
Morning, Thursday morning. It's getting loaded out here, just waiting for the other two. Carl's here as well, but me and Carl are going to a show today, like Gate Automation supplier. I think it's down in York. Picking my brother up, he's coming as well. I'm staying over, so I'll have something to eat. I might have a few of the old Guinnesses later, we'll see. Cleaning car up. And they're off. So, on his way on his road trip. Ginger Prince is driving. We've got somebody in back, who's that? Brother Beardo. So we're off to this exciting show, which is probably going to last about 5 minutes. But somebody mentioned you got pizzas, so we're on his way.
And there's pubs near.
No, there's no pubs. But anyway, we'll get some footage when we get there. So I've just pulled up at Automation Show here, and I bumped into an old colleague here, Adam from Barker's. How you doing, Adam?
Folks?
Yeah, haven't seen him in a few years, so we're just having a look at these gates they've got here. But have you been in yet then?
No, only just arrived.
Oh right, so no doubt you might see one of him. Probably walk around with us, but you were just telling me you're doing more European stuff now, are you?
Yeah, a lot of export, a lot across Europe, across Asia, Australia, all high security fencing now, so our market's changed, but still exciting times.
Yeah, well, I used to be one of his clients, but they've moved on.
You can be again.
They're too big for us now. But yeah, we'll catch up soon anyway. So yeah, some nice little gates in here, set up, getting assembled. Then we'll test them here. Nice 358 one there, Carl. Going here. Nice, that's right there. It's an absolute beauty, this one. That's got to be 15 metres. Well, yeah, pretty good in there. Look, quality made. Big places actually, technical office in there. Quite like these. These are nice. Composite. And then we've got turnstiles and that now. Which are nice. Very good setup. So yeah, I've just bumped into one of the guy here. Chris England, he has his own production company. I think he's official cameraman here at the minute.
I am.
Yeah, what? Oh, expensive gear. Not like me on my phone. I'll just stick to YouTube, but obviously he's doing proper stuff, filming all this for customers. You said you're back tomorrow?
Back tomorrow.
Back tomorrow to film and bring his drone and do some fancy stuff. But yeah, we'll be on his way home by then with an hangover. Just had a slice of pizza. Very nice. A tea and a coffee, but I think we're about done now. We've been here absolutely hours. We've just let another contact. This guy here, Jamie, he's a fitter. But potentially pretty good for us. We've got some with contacts. I've bumped into a few people I haven't seen for a few years. So, all in all, good little show, but I think we're ready to have a pint by river now. No, we're not women. No, we're not. No, sorry, we're going to training centre now.
We thought as training course we're down there, but it turned out we've gone down wrong ginnel. We'll let you know when we're all trained.
This is nice. Is this our training course venue? One of them. Liquid lunch.
So you're not going away? So it's a question of
And we've got a castle and that down there. Nice.
Me and Mark are just on his third training course at day. He's not got his eye in, he's had 4 beers now, so he's rattling. We're on his final training course of today.
Past education by Paul Beardsley.
This is normal lager. Paul's only into stinky piss fingers, witch piss, whatever it's called. Otherwise he turns his nose up.
Yeah.
Trained now, we're trained, aren't we?
Yeah, fully trained now.
All training.
Paul Beardsley.
This is all training purposes.
Do you want me to take a photo?
No, we're in a video. We're on a training course.
These lot are in a training course and they're terrible at drinking.
Good morning, fencing fans. Last day here at the Hotel Spa in Leeds, so this will be my last video. As you can see, we've done right along to the fence just over there. Looks wonderful. Everyone's been out, said that they're happy with it. Groundskeeper's been out and said that he's happy with it. He's actually over at Moon because he was one that recommended us. Apparently we did another job at a school that he does a bit of work at, and manager of the hotel wanted some recommendations for fencing, so he put our name forward. But he did actually come over yesterday and say he's extremely grateful for how fast we've done it, and they're more than happy with the job. He says so any other jobs that they need doing in future will be first set of calls, which is always nice. Nice little boost at end of the week. As you can see, sun's coming out, so job's done. We've got a couple of other bits to do, and then we'll be finished up. Perfect beer garden weather at the moment, but as you probably know from watching these videos, we are all athletes at Airedale fencing, so we don't drink mucky beer.
We're on a training course.
So we'll have to find something else to do. But yeah, so there you go, looking well over at Moon with it, and I'll be back with you next week.
Morning. Friday. We're a little bit worse for wear. Well, these two seem alright. I'm a bit iffy. But we had a few refreshments last night, shall we say, or yesterday. In fact, we were in quite early. Paul's just been to us, they got me some tablets, and he went shopping last night and bought milk and all sorts for his room. I just have a sleep before my headache pillow, so we're just going to set off back soon. But it's a lovely day down here. Good little places, Newark actually, been impressed. No idiots, no little chavs on e-bikes. All good, so we'll get off for now and see when we're back. Beautiful day, just landed back at yard now. Lads have finished, got all pick gates up, job completed, very very good. We've had not to eat yet. I think me and Carl are going to get a fish butty for his dinner. So yeah, I'm going to call it here. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, don't forget to comment down below, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.